If you want to attract love, have better relationships, understand your partner better, heal from heartbreak, and gain answers to all of your love-related questions, then this is the course for you. You'll learn how to get the answers to all of your burning questions about love and relationships, and you'll do it through intuitive tarot reading. If you have a passion for reading tarot cards and you love to read intuitively, you can deepen your practice and learn how to specialise in love and relationship readings, whether you choose to read for yourself, your friends and family, or as a professional tarot reader. This course is ideal for people who have had some experience in doing intuitive card readings, but I will walk you through each step of connecting to your intuition as you read the cards throughout this course. This course is packed with intuitive tarot reading demonstrations and practical exercises, so you can deliver tarot readings all the way through the course and not just learn the theory. You'll be using the specialist love and relationship spreads throughout the course, so that by the time you finish, you'll be feeling confident, knowledgeable, and excited about doing love readings. If you've ever wondered why you can't find that someone special, or if you've met someone but you don't know if they're the right partner for you, or you'd like to take a deep dive into your current relationship so that you can identify your biggest relationship strengths and your greatest relationship challenges, then this course will answer all of your questions. I'm Melanie, your course instructor. I'm a qualified tarot reader with a diploma in intuitive tarot, and I'm a best-selling tarot teacher with Udemy. Perhaps you've taken my other tarot reading course, Master Intuitive Readings using tarot and oracle cards. Or perhaps you found this course because it was calling out to you. Either way, I'll be delighted to take you on a journey of insight, guidance, and empowerment as you learn how to use tarot cards to improve all areas of your love life. Get your copy of the Intuitive Tarot Love and Relationship Readings course to begin your journey into tarot love readings.